Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint these swallow birds. Let's get started. After you rinse your brush, take some yellow to mix with the blue to get a slightly green color. I'm still using traditional Chinese pigments, which comes in block form instead of the tube forms. So this is what it looks like. If you're new to my channel, please check out my first couple of videos which I introduce the materials that I use. We'll start with the back of a swallow bird. Sorry, this is a bit blurry. I'll adjust the focus a bit. Now better. Okay. Gradation is very important for Chinese painting, particularly in freestyle Chinese watercolor, like this one. When your color runs out, you have to rinse your brush and start mixing again. Take a bit of red for the beat. Always double check the color on your brush before you paint again. And create a fan-like brush head for the fluffy belly feathers. Now I'll paint another one standing across from this one. We'll start with the belly first, which consists of yellow, orange, and red. And I want this one to be looking at the other one to make a connection. Now I'll paint a tree branch for them to stand on. If you're a beginner, it will be better if you paint the branch after you painted the first bird instead of after you also painted the second one, because it will be hard to make sure that it stands right on the branch. Now I'll add a few willows. These few strokes of willows are quite hard to master because you don't want it to be too soft nor too strong. If you're interested in learning more about this type of Chinese painting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you don't miss out the next update. I will share more about my experience, knowledge, and history of Chinese watercolor in the future. Now I'll finish the final touch of the feet and the eyes. You can simply use ink for the feet and eyes, or mix a bit of brownish color for the feet, but eyes are always in just dark ink. And make sure that the heads are dry before you paint. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.